How do you get from here
At Pitch Lab, we'll help your
to here?
Pitch Lab is a public speaking workshop.
How do you go from being nervous, anxious about speaking opportunities
Is this thing on? Is this thing on, bro?
to feeling good about them and confident about them? How do you get other people to get in that state?
The best way I've figured out is even right now, as I'm waiting for you to put the camera on me, I tried to get as present as possible with you. And what I mean by present is really actively listening. I mean really being there with you and focusing in on what you're saying. If you're really super present, if you're really actively listening, you don't have any extra room in your mind to run cycles on yourself, your own insecurities, your own fear. Now I'm here with you. I don't have time to think about myself, my insecurities, how I look, how stupid I feel, the rejection. Boom, I'm in it with you.
Dropping gems. Presenting yourself on camera, pitching to an audience, whatever, comes down to sort of being able to listen to people, being able to focus less on having like a rehearsed thing and being dynamic.